Welcome to Soundline English.
Good morning, Lucy. Look outside. It's raining today.
Raining? Oh no, I wanted to go to the park.
Rain is not always bad. Let's learn weather words. What do you see outside?
Water is falling from the sky?
Exactly. We call that rain. Say it with me. It's raining.
It's raining.
Perfect. And look at those gray clouds in the sky.
Gray clouds, they look heavy and dark.
When it rains, we need an umbrella. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, my umbrella is pink with flowers.
Beautiful. We use umbrellas to stay dry. Dry means not wet.
Dry means not wet. So, umbrella keeps me dry.
Exactly. Can you say, I use an umbrella when it's raining?
I use an umbrella when it's raining.
Wonderful. What clothes do we wear when it's raining?
Clothes that don't get wet?
Good thinking. We wear raincoats and rain boots. Look, Lucy. The rain stopped and now it's sunny. Sunny. The sun is shining. It's so bright. Yes, the sun is shining brightly. How do you feel when it's sunny? I feel happy. Sunny weather makes me smile. Me too. Sunny weather is cheerful. Say, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. Perfect. And look, the sky is blue now, not gray. Blue sky is prettier than gray sky. Emma, what can we do when it's sunny? Many things. We can go to the park, have a picnic, or play outside. I love playing outside in the sun. But remember, when it's very sunny, we need sunglasses and sunscreen. Sunglasses protect our eyes? Yes, and sunscreen protects our skin from too much sun. Too much sun can hurt? A little sun is good, but too much can burn our skin. I understand. A little sun is good, too much is bad. Feel that, Lucy? The air is moving. It's windy today.
Windy. The trees are moving.
And my hair is flying. Yes, wind makes everything move. Look at the leaves dancing. Dancing leaves, that's so pretty. Wind can be gentle or strong. This wind is gentle. Gentle wind feels nice on my face. Exactly. But sometimes wind is very strong, and we call it windy. So, gentle wind is nice, strong wind is windy? Perfect understanding. Very windy weather can blow things away. Emma, look! That man's hat flew away in the wind. Oh my! Strong wind can blow hats, papers, even umbrellas. See, Lucy? We can help people when weather causes problems. Helping feels good. And I learned that wind can blow things. You're learning weather and kindness together. Look at the sky now, Lucy. How is the weather?
The sky is gray, but no rain.
Exactly. It's cloudy. Clouds are covering the sun.
Cloudy means clouds, but no rain?
Yes, cloudy weather is when clouds hide the sun, but it's not raining.
So we have sunny, rainy, and cloudy weather.
Perfect. You're learning fast. How do you feel about cloudy weather?
It's not happy like sunny, but not sad like rainy. It's in the middle?
Excellent description. Cloudy weather is calm and peaceful. Lucy, cloudy days are often cooler than sunny days.
Cooler? You mean not hot?
Exactly. Weather can be hot, warm, cool, or cold.
Hot, warm, cool, cooled. Like my bath water?
Great comparison. Today feels cool, not hot, not cold.
Cool weather feels comfortable.
Yes, we can say it's a cool, cloudy evening.
It's a cool, cloudy evening.
Beautiful. You're describing weather like a weather reporter. Lucy, look at this picture. What's falling from the sky?
White things, like little white flowers.
Those are snowflakes. When it's very cold, we get snow instead of rain.
Snow! It looks so pretty and soft.
Yes, snow makes everything white and beautiful. It's snowing in this picture.
It's snowing. I want to touch snow.
Snow is cold and soft. You can make snowballs and snowmen.
Snowballs and snowmen! That sounds fun.
In snowy weather, we wear warm clothes, thick coats, gloves, and hats. Now, look at this picture. How does this weather look?
Very bright. The sun looks strong.
Yes, this is hot weather. Very, very warm.
Hot weather. People are wearing not many clothes.
Right. In hot weather, we wear light clothes, t-shirts, shorts, and sandals.
And they're drinking cold things.
Exactly. Cold drinks help us stay cool in hot weather.
Hot weather, cold drinks. Cold weather, hot drinks.
Perfect logic. You understand how weather affects what we do.
Weather changes what we wear and what we drink.
Let's play weather reporter. Look outside and tell me about today's weather.
It's sunny and warm and a little windy.
Excellent weather report. How does it make you feel?
Happy and energetic. I want to run and play.
Wonderful. Weather affects our mood. Sunny weather makes us happy.
What about rainy weather?
Some people feel sleepy or quiet on rainy days. Others love the sound of rain.
like both. Sunny for playing, rainy for reading books.
Perfect. Different weather is good for different activities. What's your favorite type of weather, Lucy?
I love sunny and warm. Perfect for playing outside.
Great choice. What about your least favorite?
Maybe very cold and windy? That looks uncomfortable.
That's fair. Very cold wind can be unpleasant, but some people love winter.
Really? Why?
They like skiing, ice skating, and drinking hot chocolate by the fire.
Oh, so every weather is good for something?
Exactly. Every type of weather has special activities and feelings. Let's practice. If it's raining, what do you wear?
Raincoat, rain boots, and umbrella.
Perfect. What about if it's sunny and hot?
Light clothes, sunglasses, and sunscreen.
Excellent. And if it's cold and snowy?
Warm coat, gloves, hat, and thick boots.
You learned so well. Weather tells us how to dress.
Weather is like a daily costume guide.
I love that idea. Weather helps us choose our daily costume. From now on, let's check the weather every morning.
Yes, I can be the weather reporter.
Perfect job for you. What will you say tomorrow morning?
Good morning. Today's weather is... And then I'll look outside.
Excellent. And remember to say how the weather makes you feel.
The weather makes me feel happy and ready to play.
Beautiful. You can also suggest activities. Perfect weather for the park.
I love being a weather reporter. It's fun and useful.
Weather talk is one of the most common conversations in English. Lucy, did you know weather is different around the world?
Different? How?
Some places are always hot. Some are always cold. Some change with seasons.
Always hot? Like summer all the time?
Exactly. Some tropical places are warm and sunny almost every day.
That sounds nice, but also maybe too much.
Good thinking. Some people prefer changing weather through seasons.
Seasons? You mean spring, summer, fall, winter?
Yes, each season has different typical weather.
So weather changes during the year?
In spring, weather gets warmer and flowers bloom.
Spring is when everything grows?
Yes, summer is hot and sunny. Fall is cooler with colorful leaves.
And winter is cold with snow.
Perfect! You understand seasons and their weather.
Spring warm, summer hot, fall cool, winter cold.
Excellent summary. And each season has special activities.
Like swimming in summer and building snowmen in winter?
Exactly. Weather and seasons give us different fun activities all year.
I learned so much about weather today. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Now you can talk about weather in English anytime.